welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. We got a super sweet, super quick video just talking about some new bronze. As you may have seen by the thumbnail, we are going to use this little beauty right here. This is the Fenty Beauty Toasted, in the color Toasted Swirl, Bronze Shimmer Powder. I read how to use this. It kind of seems like you would use it the same way as bronzer kind of slash highlighter. I'm going to use it. I have already done most of my face. I did put a little bit of bronzer on. So I'm going to touch some areas with this. I'm going to cover the mirror. Look at that. I'm going to hide my face. Look at that. It's so pretty. I did touch it. It's a little on the shimmery side, which I don't mind, but I don't want my full face to be shimmery, so I did not use this as a full face bronzer. But I just wanted to show you guys because it's really cute. And it also, as a suggested, of course, everybody has to suggest a brush to use. I don't think I like the brush, but you might. It's a cheek hugging bronzer brush. I shouldn't say I don't think I like it. I think there's probably, I think there's probably a little bit of a learning curve for me because I've never used a brush that looks like this. I got an itch on my face. So I'm not going to use it on my cheeks. I'm going to use it kind of here, maybe, I don't know, I haven't quite decided. I might use it like a bronzer here, highlighter here. See how that works. What is on my face? So I did my eyes already. I think they look cute. I used Pat McGrath Mothership. What is this, 7? I am so stupid. I used Pat McGrath for my eyes. So cute. Mothership 9 Utopian Dream. I'll show you the inside of the palette. Why not? This is going to be a short video, so it's so pretty. So pretty. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm not going to use that big old brush. I'm going to use this brush right here. It's a Hank and Henry Francis brush. I'm going to pick a little bit of that up, tap some off, and I'm just going to kind of tap some areas where I want to see. I'm going to zoom in a little closer. See? I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty. I'm going to turn off one of these lights, maybe 2. I might have to take a picture of it on my phone. I might have to take a picture of it on my phone so y'all can see. It's, let me see. Let me take a moment. Let me not be too harsh, too rash. I can see it, but I'm trying to figure out a way so you guys can see it. So I'm taking a bronzer brush. It's an angled brush, or it's not a bronzer brush, it's an angled brush, but I use it as a bronzer. So I'm just gonna try that kind of, see what that does. Because I really wanna like it. It's expensive. So what I did is I went ahead and added some more with the angled brush. I do like it better. And then I went in with the brush that I used to apply my bronzer, and just kind of smoothed it out a little bit. Maybe this brush probably would be better because it's dense and fluffy in spots. The way it's angled, it's kind of like concave here. It angles up and kind of swoops. Kind of would fit like perfect angle in here, but I didn't trust it and I didn't test it beforehand. But I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and reapply some blush because I kind of disturbed my blush. I kind of lightened it a little bit and I want it a little darker. So I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished sort of the rest of my face. I don't have lips on, but I do like, I sprayed with Huda Cocoa Glow. Glow Cocoa. Did it again. Cocoa Glow. Glow Cocoa. It's called Glow Cocoa. Don't listen to me. It seems to have set the powder to my face. The powder, the bronzer, the shimmering bronzer. I do like it a lot better now. I feel like it's more of a glow of my skin rather than a shimmer that I put on my skin, if that makes any sense. Comment down below what you think. Have you tried it? Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna zoom out because I'm like, whoa, all up in your face. I'm gonna take my time, do some lips, and see if I continue to like it, because I got a little bit of time. So we're gonna see. So I let the bronzer sit a little longer. Fenty Beauty in the color Chocolate Swirler. I said Chocolate Swirl before. It's Chocolate Swiller. Swiller. Now I'm confused because it says Toasted Swirl and then it says Chocolate Swiller. It is a bronze shimmer powder. It's nice. It's so pretty. I'm swatching it on my hand. That's what it... We're gonna turn off a light. See that? It's really pretty. I think if you're going for a no makeup, this would be beautiful, just dusted lightly all over. All over where you want, like that, those sun-kissed areas to be. I think it would be pretty. I think the way I used it, I like it. I think I would have used it underneath my face instead of over. I would have used sort of like a tinted moisturizer and then used this, threw on some setting spray, maybe some highlighter, lip gloss, mascara, and called it a day, because I think it's really, really pretty, and I think it's really, really glowy. Perfect for me, in my opinion, for my no makeup days. I feel like my face is very, very shimmery, which is fine. It does have a little bit of cast in these bright lights, but in my, I was in my bathroom, which has bright lights, but not like blinding lights like these. And it doesn't have, see this little cast right here. It doesn't, I can't see it. Little bit over here, but I use this, the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist, and I feel like that settled it into my skin the way I enjoy it. For, I don't know, I'm not gonna change it what I said. So that's it. That's the face. That's the look. We're going about our business today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below some items you want to see. Let me know what other Fenty products you want to see. I love Fenty. I have many of the products. I like a lot of what I've tried. Her lip products, love. Let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.